Dear professors, dear colleagues, my name is Omid Maghazei, and on behalf of my co-authors Mark Lewis and Torbjørn Netland, I'm delighted to present our paper entitled Emerging Technologies and the Use Case, a multi-year study of drone adoption, which was published last year in the Journal of Operations Management. In 2016, we were observing a drone euphoria. There were numerous media reports of drone projects in various companies. Airbus using it in their hangar for airplane inspection, ABB for sniffing gas, Audi for almost a nonsensical yet cool use for delivering steering wheels, Ford in factory inspection, and famously Amazon for last mile logistics. Many consulting companies released reports and white papers and estimated a promising market growth, all of which pointing out to a booming drone industry. Despite the existing potentials, drone adoption rates were still far too low. We pondered at the time, why is that the case? And how is the adoption of drones in operations management? We followed a case-based process research design from 2016 to 2021, separated in three main phases. In the first phase, we explored drone applications in operational settings by collecting rich first-hand empirical data around the potential of drones in operations management. In the second phase, we engaged in field tests of drones in Geberit, a multinational manufacturer of sanitary products and systems. And in the third phase, we conducted a case study of the first successfully scaled drone adoption in IKEA. IKEA adopted fully autonomous drones in their warehouses and distribution centers to increase the accuracy of inventory counting. What did we learn? Our data analysis helped us to document a different pattern for adopting Industry 4.0 type technologies like drones. While we witnessed an almost linear pattern for the adoption of advanced manufacturing technologies in the extant technology management literature, drones demonstrated that they follow an iterative fit process that was centered around the notion of use case. In the old model, companies go through a fit process of the technology with three sets of factors: economic and strategic factors, operational and supply chain factors, and organizational and behavioral factors. While all forms of fit are important during technology adoption, certain factors become more salient as the adoption project progresses. In the new model, companies firstly focus on identifying the use cases and figure out if the technology fits with the operational and supply chain factors, answering, can we do it? Then through piloting the selected use cases, they explore the economic and strategic factors, or in other words, does it make a business case? Or simply put, should we do it? And then by making progress in the adoption at scale, they further investigate the technology's fit with organizational and behavioral factors. The use case concept allows companies to diverge from a linear process as a kind of middle out technology in use approach. With this approach, companies test alternative technologies before there is certainty regarding their value or to help identify where value can be hidden. To summarize, this new adoption framework is better suited to explain the adoption of emerging technologies like drones, which are developed for different purposes, are subject to significant hype, pushed from a thriving ecosystem, and represent high degrees of observability and trialability. With this, I would like to thank you for your attention, and for more details, please check our paper in the Journal of Operations Management, as well as its practitioner-oriented version, which has received the conditional accept from the Journal of MIT Sloan Management Review.